Have you ever taken a losing trade and immediately want to make that money back? You enter another trade. That one loss, so you take another trade. Before you know it, you're no longer following your strategy. You're trying to get revenge on the market. That's called revenge trading. And it can turn one small losses into many much more bigger problem. In this video, I'll explain why revenge trading and on 5 principal ways to stop it. What is revenge trade? Revenge trades happen when you make trading decision because you are frustrated on previous losses. Instead of asking, does this meet my setup? Are my rules? You're thinking, I need to make my money back. And that's dangerous mindset. The market doesn't know that you just lost money. It doesn't owe you a winning trade, and trying to focus on the market to give your money back can lead to impulsive decision. Loss, frustrations, impulsive trades equal more losing trades. Why does revenge trade happen? There are few reasons traders revenge trade. The first is ego. You don't want to admit that your analysis was wrong. The second is frustration. You feel like you were so close to winning, and the third is trying to recover a losses so quick. You start increasing your position size or taking setups you normally wouldn't take. But here's the problem. You're no longer trading your strategy. You're trading your emotion. Don't let one losses control your next trade. Accept the loss. The first step to stop revenge trading is to accept that you loses are a part of trading. No strategy would win every trade. Even a good setup can fail. Instead of saying, I have to make this money back, say, the trade is finished, what can I learn from it? Once a trade is closed, the outcome is a history. Your next trade should be based on your next setup, not your previous result. A loss is data, not a personal attack. Create a cool enough rules. Here's a simple habit you can use after a significant loss. Step away from the chart for a set of amount of time. Do not immediately click buy or sell. Take a break, review what happened. Ask yourself, did I follow my plan? Did I manage my risk correctly? Was the loss simple part of my strategy normal result? If you're still angry or frustrated, don't force yourself to trade. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Pause, review, and reset. Set a daily loss limit. Another way to protect yourself is by setting a maximum amount you're willing to lose in a trading session. For example, you might create a personal rule that once you reach your daily loss limit, you will stop trade for the day. The exact limit depends on your strategy, account, and risk plan. The important part is having the rule before emotional take over. That way you don't have to make a emotional decision in the middle of a losing strike. Set your limit before you trade. Journal the loss. Don't waste a losing trade. Journal it. Write it down. Why did I enter? Did this setup follow my rules? How was my mindset? Did I make any emotional decision? Then review your journal. Your goal isn't to create a journal full of winning trades. Your goal is to understand your behavior. Because if you can identify what triggered your revenge trade, you can start controlling it. Review, learn, and improve. The mindset shift. Use the mindset shift that can change everything. You do not need to make your money back today. You do not need to win the next trade. You do not need to trade every market move. Your job is to follow in your process and protect your capital. One losses doesn't define you as a trader, and one winning trade doesn't make you a professional either. What matters is what you do consistently over time. So, the time you take a loss, don't immediately try to get it back. Pause, step away. If you need to, review the trade, check your result, and only return when you can make a decision based on your strategy, not your emotion. Remember, market doesn't owe you a win. You don't have to get revenge trade. You just have to stay disciplined. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to Dusart Trading for more forex content. If you want to track your trade mistake or progress, check out my trading journal. And if you want to work on psychology side of trading, check out my trading book, Trade the Mind and Master Emotion Control. And you can also join the free Dusart Trading community using the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.